Losing hair, looking for something, anything to bring it back? Regrow back your own natural hair with no pain and no side effects. It's possible according to our next guest. Here with more is Lindsay Kay from Laser Med Solutions. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Great to see you. What exactly is laser hair therapy?
So laser hair therapy is where we use low-level laser, and we are applying this laser energy directly to the hair follicle. This stimulates the growth stage. So we're increasing circulation and blood flow back to the scalp, and this, like I said, is going to stimulate that growth stage for patients.
And that's how that works?
Yes, and so we are regrowing back your own natural hair, but in a non-invasive, no side effect, no pain way.
And how long does it take before someone might see hair follicles?
Okay, so with this, what we're looking for with this type of treatment is for somebody that still has active hair follicles. And a lot of the time when there's no visible hair there in the area that we're looking at, there's still an active hair follicle. So what you do is you come into the clinic for an evaluation. Takes about 30 minutes. We'll check your hair follicle activity with a ProScope magnifying camera that zooms into the hair follicle. We'll be able to tell you yes or no, you're a good candidate for this treatment, and we'll be able to tell you if you still have active hair follicles. And if you do, we're still able to regrow back that hair in that area where you still have the active hair follicles.
And just because you might not have hair doesn't mean there's no hope.
Exactly, because a lot of people take a look and they're like, I'm too far gone, or we get a lot of female patients. About 65% of our patient base is actually female patients, which tend to lose their hair a little bit later on in life because they're producing more testosterone in their body, and they'll take a look and they're wearing wigs or they're using extensions, which can be further damaging to the hair, and they're thinking that there's no hope for them, when really if you came into the clinic and we can take a look at you, we'll be able to determine yes, we can still help you, and maybe we won't be able to because not everybody, you know, still has active hair follicles, but like I said, you come into the clinic and we'll be able to tell you on the spot if you do.
Yeah, you'll let people know exactly
Absolutely.
if they can get a treatment.
Yes.
Now, how quickly can we see these results?
So the laser starts to take effect in about 4 to 6 weeks, and typically our patients are seeing a positive cosmetic change in just the first few months. However, the earlier on you catch the hair loss, the faster you will receive results with it.
And earlier you mentioned males and females, and
So,
majority
yes.
of females are coming in.
Majority of females are actually coming in now, yeah. So we can treat males or females. Age is definitely not a factor. So males tend to lose their hair earlier on in life in their early 20s, and females, you know, middle-aged females tend to lose their hair a little bit later on in life. But it doesn't matter. We can still treat you with this type of treatment as long as you have those active hair follicles. And the really nice part about this program is we have the convenience factor. Just because, you know, a lot of people can't make it into the clinic. If they are coming in for a clinic treatment program, they're coming once a week for a 20-minute laser session. But some people can't commit to that. And we have portable devices now available, including the most popular is Laser Cap, where you can use it at home. It's rechargeable. You wear it 3 times a week for 30 minutes. It's nice and convenient. You don't have to come into the clinic, and you don't have to, you know, take time out of your busy lifestyle to actually regrow your hair back.
So basically you can get a treatment at home just watching TV and letting that cap do the work for you.
Exactly, and that's going to be our most popular device on the market today.
Yeah. And do you feel anything?
You don't. So again, there's no side effects involved with this, and it is pain-free. So even though we say laser, it's a non-invasive laser.
And you have a morning blend special as well. What exactly is it?
We do. So we're going to offer you that important evaluation to tell you if you're going to be a good candidate, absolutely free. So you can come in. If you give us a call today, we'll do a free evaluation. We'll do a free consultation with you, and we'll do that free first clinical laser session just so you can see what laser hair therapy is like and kind of test drive it.
Do you have people come in their 20s, 30s, 40s, and 50s?
We have people of all ages coming in, all ages, because unfortunately, it's not always a natural process when it's causing hair loss. It could be a medication that you were taking, could be stress that was causing it. So we see people of all ages in the clinic.
And again, you mentioned just because you don't have hair maybe on the surface,
correct,
and you're perhaps bald, doesn't mean you cannot get help.
It doesn't mean that you can't get help. It doesn't mean that you still don't have active hair follicles. So give us a call, and we can do that evaluation for you to see if you'd be a good candidate for something like this.
Well, Lindsay, thank you so much. Some great information.
Thank you so much for having me.
Laser Med Solutions offers a free consultation and evaluation in addition to a free first clinical laser session for anyone who calls and books a consult. It's today only. For more on the latest technology to control hair loss and stimulate new growth, check out the website on your screen or call the number listed.